Hey everyone, I've got this problem. We've solved it once already by completing the square. This time I want to take a look at the quadratic formula. I've got the quadratic formula written right here. Negative b plus or minus the square root of the quantity b squared minus 4ac. All of this divided by 2a. So we're going to start by identifying a, b, and c. 2 is a. Negative 2 is b. Negative 1 is c. And those signs are important. We've got to include the sign. So let's go ahead and start making our substitutions. This is a negative, negative 2, plus or minus the square root of the quantity, negative 2 squared, minus 4 times 2 times a negative 1. Take the square root of all of this, divide it all by 2 times a, which is 2 times 2. And then we're just going to go through and start simplifying. So let's see here. This will be a positive 2, plus or minus the square root of 4. See here, negative 4, negative 8, positive 8. So 4 plus 8, and all of it's divided by 4. I hope I can pull a 2 out of this. So let's see here. What is that? It's the square root of 4 plus 8, or the square root of 12. Square root of 12, let's see here, 12 is 4 times 3. So the square root of 12 is equal to the square root of 4 times the square root of 3, or 2 times the square root of 3. Excellent. So this is 2 square roots of 3. We'll fill in the rest. Oh good, I can pull a 2 out of that, which means that, as I was hoping, we'll be able to reduce everything here. So let's factor out a 2. We reduce this, and we get that x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 3, quantity divided by 2, but we're going to write it as a set. The set 1, and let's do negative first because it's going to be smaller, minus the square root of 3 divided by 2, which is going to be less than 1 plus the square root of 3 divided by 2. So as such, we've written this in ascending order. And that's our solution. Check it in your calculator.